understand, then I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is a requested video from one of you guys. I wanted to make it happen. Like, I'm quickly gonna upload this video very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I am planning on for a new giveaway next month, so stay tuned for that. So a lot of things are happening. I have to keep track of my uploading schedule and my giveaway video and everything, so I'm just fully stressed out. So this video has been requested from one of you guys. I think Sarun requested this video for a wedding guest makeup look, and here it is. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. And so today's video is a requested video from one of you guys. One of you guys had DM'd me in my Instagram account and said ki Didi, please do a makeup look of this particular color set. And I was like, okay, yes, I have to do. I think I'm late, but I will try to upload this video very soon. So without any blabbering and anything, let's just begin. So today's makeup video, I will be using the Morphe palette. Yes, the Morphe palette which was gifted to me by my dearest Dee. If you haven't checked out the video yet, I will link that video somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely check it, and also it will be mentioned in the description box down below. So first, just take a look at the colors. The names and all are written here. Look at the colors, guys. It's beautiful. So from this one, I will be using the blue and the golden shades. So quickly, let's just begin. And also do let me know if you guys want a swatch video of this eyeshadow palette or not. Because if you guys want, I will do the swatch video. So let me know in the comment section down below. So I will just quickly begin, and I am using my Morphe brushes. So I'm just quickly gonna take one. Let's just begin with today's video. I've done my base and all, so if you guys haven't checked out my previous makeup videos where I do my base, it will be mentioned somewhere on the screen. And if you guys want me to make a video only particularly to create a flawless base, let me know in the comment section down below, so I will definitely try to keep you guys' request. So first step, I am gonna take this blue eyeshadow. The name I'll just quickly tell you guys. So the name of this one is Rendezvous. So this is the blue shade which I will be using. So I'm just quickly gonna take a bit. Wow, it feels like butter. Like जैसे हम लोग bread के ऊपर butter लगाते हैं, it feels like that. So with this blue shade, I am gonna do it in my outer section of my eye. So I'm just quickly gonna dab it on my skin. Just remember that you are not supposed to rub it very rigidly on your eye area. You just have to dab it and then pat. Wow, the pigment is so good, and I had just taken only a bit, and look at the pigment, guys. And it feels like, मतलब मेरे हाथ में कोई pressure का कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. मतलब it's so smooth, it's so, you know, it's like so good. This is my first time ever that I'm using any Morphe का color. So all thanks to her, because it is only because of her that I'm being able to create such amazing makeup looks for you guys. I'm being able to keep your request and everything. So look at this stunning color. Oh my god, I'm just too much in awe with it. Trying to take a blue shade which is more like you know, cobalt blue and a bit of royal blue, so that will enhance your eye makeup a bit more. If you take a very subtle and a very bland blue, so it won't make any such difference. So this eye is done, so I'm quickly just gonna take a bit more and do it on my next eye as well. A bit of it, just, and look at the pigment, guys. I'm just gonna take it over here as well. So before applying the blue eyeshadow now, try to make a simple crease-like structure like this. so then it becomes easier for you to apply. So after that, the outer section is done. So coming towards the next step. The next step is I'm gonna take a beautiful golden color. So I'm gonna take this one. This is the golden color. I'll just quickly tell you the name of it. The name of it is Private Party, and remember the palette is 35V of Morphe. So the shade which I said is Private Party. So I'm just quickly going to take a bit. I'm just going to take the same brush. I'm just going to wipe off the blue excess of the brush with a piece of a cloth. So remember always to keep a cotton cloth beside you while you're doing your makeup. So I'm just quickly going to take a bit of it. Wow. I can tell that it's super pigmented, guys. It's super pigmented. I love the palette. Let me know if you guys want a swatch of this or not. So next up with the golden shade, I'm just quickly gonna do it from the inner section. So starting from the inner section, I will be blending it on the blue shade a bit more. वाओ, यू नो गाइस, मतलब इसमें ना कोई प्रेशर ही नहीं डालना पड़ता है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब मैजिक की तरह ये बस फिसल जा रहा है. इट्स सो स्मूथ, इट्स सो स्मूथ, क्रीमी लाइक टेक्सचर है इसका. Blending and everything is done for this eye. Next I'm gonna do for my second eye. Let me know how far you're liking it, or if you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram as well. So I'm just quickly gonna do it for my So my second eye, both the eyes are done. So next up, I'm just quickly gonna take a bit of this golden color. I'm gonna use the same brush only, or I'm just quickly gonna take different brush. So this golden color, I will be applying it over here. So underneath the, so I'm quickly gonna take only a bit of it, because it's highly pigmented and थोड़ा सा ऐसे काम हो जाता है. So I'm gonna quickly do the lower section of my eyes. So my eyes is almost done. I am not applying anything. I'm not applying anything on the inner corners because it's obviously the golden section is there. So inner corners में और कुछ का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. My mascara, and I will be applying the kajal as well. So whoever requested the video, I think it was Sarun who requested the video, so I hope that it works out for you, and send me pictures on my Instagram as to तुमने कैसा makeup किया इसको inspire होके and everything. So I have done my eyeliner. I've just only applied a very thin layer of eyeliner. If you want, you can make it thicker. If you want, you can make it winged eyeliner accordingly. So next I am just quickly gonna take the blush palette. This is the only blush palette I have, so bear with me. So I'm just quickly gonna take only a bit of it. Remember, you're not supposed to make the blush bit too much. So थोड़ा सा blush, little. अगर आपके पास blush नहीं है तो उसका alternative I might have to tell you. अगर आपके घर में beetroot है, so वो beetroot का juice लेके भी आप as a blush use कर सकते हो. और अगर आपके पास कोई tinted lip balm है, strawberry and Nivea का lip balm or anything, you can apply it, and that will also work out as your blush if you don't have a blush palette. So my makeup and everything is almost done. Next step, I am gonna use my lipstick. Now I get so many questions from you guys ki which lipstick are you using? So most of the time I am using two lipsticks together. So first I'm gonna use this L18 lipstick from the shade number is 951 and it's Nude Fix. So beautiful color. So first I'm gonna apply this Nude Fix. So after that I'm gonna apply the second color, which is also from L18. It's called Pink Kiss. The shade number is P21. This is also a very beautiful color. So my makeup look is done for today. So my makeup look is done. Let me know in the comment section down below as to how you did found out this video. I do really hope that you had enjoyed this video thoroughly and found this video informative, and if you guys pull off this particular look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or you can DM me your picture. I will be really super delighted to see your pictures, because that would mean that I am trying and whatever videos I am making is getting conveyed to you guys. You guys are finding it appealing and informative enough, so that is all I request to all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because a lot of things and a lot of fun things are coming on my channel. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos yet, there is a super amazing playlist which I have created for you guys, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check it in your spare time. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.